This video we will see the product review of Sony WH-1000XM5. If you want to buy this product, please see the link in this video description. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is a premium wireless headphone, and this headphone is designed for those seeking top tier sound quality, superior noise cancellation, and excellent comfort. This headphone is perfect for music lovers, frequent travelers, and professionals who need clear calls and immersive audio. Now we will see the key features of this headphone. This headphone has industry-leading noise cancellation. This headphone uses dual processors and 8 microphones to block out external noise, including voices and high frequencies. This headphone has crystal clear call quality. It has advanced microphones and noise reduction algorithms ensure your voice is clear even in noisy environments. This headphone has exceptional sound quality. This headphone equipped with 30 drivers, offering rich, balanced audio with deep bass and clear highs. Battery and comfort. This headphone supports up to 40 hours battery life. This headphone provides up to 30 hours of playback time with noise cancellation on and 40 hours of playback time with noise cancellation off. ANC is nothing but active noise cancellation. And if you charge for 3 minutes, it gives 3 hours of playback. This headphone has a comfortable design. This headphone is lightweight and the weight is 250 gram. And it has soft fit leather ear cups for long listening sessions. This headphone supports Google Fast Pair and Swift Pair for quick setup. This headphone supports adaptive sound control, which means automatically adjust the sound settings based on your activity and location. This headphone has touch controls. Using that, you can control volume, control playback, and control calls with simple touch gestures on the ear cup. This headphone supports a multi-point connection. Using this headphone, you can connect to two Bluetooth devices at the same time. Meaning, using this headphone, you can connect to your smartphone and laptop at the same time. And also, you can easily switching between these devices. This headphone has voice assistant compatible, works with Google Assistant and Alexa for hands-free control. This headphone supports high-quality audio formats and includes Sony's DSEE Extreme, which upscales compressed audio files. When you unbox, inside the box you will find Sony WH-1000XM5 headphone carrying case, which is a slim and foldable case for easy storage, USB-C charging cable, audio cable, which is 3.5 length for wired use, instruction manual and warranty card. Now we will see technical specifications. Driver size is 30 frequency response is 4 Hz to 40,000 Hz. This headphone is high resolution audio certified. To support noise cancellation, it has a dual processor with 8 microphones. Bluetooth version is 5.2. Battery life with ANC on 30 hours, with ANC off 40 hours. Quick charging. If you charge for 3 minutes, it will come 3 hours of playback. Weight is 250 gram. For connectivity, it supports Bluetooth, NFC, USB-C, 3.5 audio jack. Now we will see pros of this headphone. This headphone supports noise cancellation for immersive listening. This headphone has excellent sound quality with high resolution audio support. This headphone is lightweight and comfortable design for extended wear. This headphone supports outstanding call quality even in noisy environments. This headphone has long battery life with fast charging. This headphone supports multi-point connectivity for switching between devices easily. This headphone supports great call quality, clear audio during calls, even in noisy environments. Now we will see cons of this headphone. The design of this headphone is non-foldable, makes it less compact for travel. This headphone has a premium price and may not be affordable for everyone. This headphone has limited improvements in sound quality compared to WH-1000XM5. This headphone has slightly smaller drivers. It has 30 mm drivers, may have less bass impact than previous 40 mm ones, though sound quality remains high. Now we will see the pricing information. In US dollars, it is $399. In Indian rupees, it is 34,990 rupees. Now we will see customer positive feedback. First one is noise cancellation. Customer rave about its ability to block out both low and high frequency noises. Next one is comfort. Many users appreciate the lightweight build and soft ear cushions, making it ideal for long listening sessions. Next one is call quality. Priced for clear and noise-free calls even in crowded places. Next one is sound quality. Loud for its balanced audio profile and immersive soundstage. Next one is battery life. Users are impressed with long-lasting battery and quick charging feature. Now we will see the conclusion. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is a top-tier headphone which offers exceptional noise cancellation, sound quality and comfort. This headphone is excellent choice for professional, audiophiles and frequent travelers who prioritize premium features and long-lasting performance. Though this headphone comes with a higher price tag, the quality and feature justify the investment. If you want the best in noise cancellation technology and are looking for a headphone that delivers on all fronts, then WH-1000XM5 is the fantastic option.